Hello, dear.
Hi, my darling.
What brings you to the kitchen?
Well, we're doing a 3-day cleanse. Now, I'm going to show you the simplest Kitchari cleanse you have ever seen in your life. There's hardly anything to it. So you want mung dal. That's mung dal. You can get green mung dal, which you should soak overnight, or this yellow mung dal, because basically there's no skin on it. So it's easier to digest. This one's been pre-washed, but I've washed it again anyway. So
that one's not been soaked?
That has not been soaked. No, sorry, that has been soaked for half an hour. But with the green one, you should leave it overnight. But this one's much easier, quicker. So what I'm going to do with that, literally, this is the baby, easy, simple version. Stick it in the pan. Stick rice in the pan. Okay, I'm going to do less rice than dal because I don't want as much rice.
But you can
do equal parts.
Okay.
I'm going to put water in the pan.
How much?
Much as I jolly well like.
Okay.
You would put double the amount that you put rice and dal. And then I'm going to put ginger and chilli in the pan.
Ooh, okay.
So
basically everything's cold at the moment.
Everything's cold.
Fabulous.
Like your heart. And then
unnecessary.
And then I'm going to put cumin seeds. It's a joke, darling. Cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, chili, fresh coriander seeds, all going to go in there as well.
Blimey, this elementary.
That's it, elementary. Later on, so I'll let it boil once, and then I'll put it to simmer.
Okay.
Can you see it there, Beth? There, yeah?
Okay.
And later on I'll add salt, later. And then at the very end, when it's in my plate, I'll add a dollop of ghee.
Okay, so no oil or anything?
Well, the ghee at the end.
Okay.
That is it, done.
Fabulous.
And because it's that easy, you can make it fresh every day. You ideally don't want to have the same one for 3 days.
Nice.
And I did show a more kind of fancy version with onions and what have you, but you don't need to do that.
For a cleanse, I think this is probably the way to go.
Delicious. Yeah. Enjoy.
Fabulous. Thank you, dear.